How much does estate planning cost? In this video, I'll explore how much planning costs in Northwest Arkansas and how much not planning costs. We'll also touch on what you get in a plan. Hi, I'm Gary. I'm an estate planning lawyer with DeWitt Law Firm, and I've helped thousands of people here in Northwest Arkansas avoid probate, protect assets, and pass on what they've worked so hard for so they can enjoy the peace of mind they deserve. For many people, just the peace of mind that comes from knowing that their family will avoid probate and the associated hassles is worth the price of a plan. It's just a bonus that the family gets a larger, faster, more hassle-free inheritance. Before we talk about how much planning costs, let's explore what not planning costs in money, time, and hassles. The number one reason people tell me they're planning is to avoid probate. They've either been through probate for a parent or they've heard horror stories of probate. Probate costs money, time, and creates hassles you don't need to put your family through. You can assume in Arkansas, the attorney will get 3% of the total gross estate. This is, your gross estate is the value of everything without subtracting out debts and mortgages. The personal representative will get another 3% before anything is distributed. If real estate is sold in probate, you can expect the normal 6% realtor's fee and about 3% closing cost. That doesn't sound too bad until you add it up. You can expect probate with a house sale will cost about 15% of the total. And probate takes time. Because it is a formal process and a court is involved, you can expect probate to take at least 8 months and possibly a year or longer. All the creditors must be paid before your family gets anything. So there's a built-in 6-month waiting period for creditors to make their claims. Your family gets what's left after the 15% is paid to the attorney, court, realtors, and title company. Then they have to pay the creditors before your family gets what is left. If you used Medicaid to help pay for the cost of care, Medicaid can claim against your probate estate and any property in it, including your home. This can be avoided with a plan. But probate isn't the only reason to plan. If you have an accident, medical incident, or something else and can't manage your own affairs, then somebody will need to. Under the law, nobody but you has the right to make your decisions or sign for you, not even your spouse. If you can't manage, if you haven't named somebody in a durable power of attorney to step into your shoes, then a court will have to decide who is in charge and how much power they get. This will cost at least $3,000 in attorney fees, plus filing fees and other expenses. If a family member contests the decision, then you can expect it to cost thousands more. Both of these, probate and guardianship, cause a lot of stress for your family. This is stress they don't need during an already difficult time. They should be spending their time taking care of each other and you, not dealing with probate and courts. Add up the cost. Do that, we'll assume you leave a house worth $100,000. Makes the math easy. 15% of $100,000 is $15,000. And add another $3,000 for the guardianship. Your total cost of administration and guardianship for a $100,000 house is $18,000. That is $18,000 your family won't get. It goes to attorneys, realtors, and title companies. Now, I'll tell you up front how much a plan from us costs. Now, plans can cost up to $10,000 for very complex family situations. But I would say on average, a plan will be about $2,000 to $2,500 for a typical family. First, all of our plans come with lifetime support and questions answered. We aren't going to charge you when you call in 3 years with a question or just need to know where in your binder a document is. We'll maintain an electronic copy of your full plan. You go home with the original sorted and tabbed in a durable notebook. Durable powers of attorney for personal, legal, financial, and healthcare are $675 per person. When you do these documents, you decide who will be in charge, not a judge. A beneficiary plan, our most used and popular plan to avoid probate, costs $1,350 for an individual and just $2,150 for a family. You saved your family the difference financially from paying 15% plus the cost of guardianship. You just saved your family from the hassles of probate. And since your home and other assets will pass outside of probate and your probate estate, Medicaid won't be able to claim against them. In Arkansas, creditors can only make claims against a probate estate. This plan includes the durable powers of attorney. A probate avoidance trust, for those that want the additional protection of a trust, is $18.50 for an individual and $26.50 for a couple. This plan includes durable powers of attorneys too. For those with minor children and children with issues such as addictions, rocky marriages, or creditors, we offer a family living trust plan that adds in additional protection for them. That plan starts at $23.50 for an individual and $31.50 for a couple. Finally, our comprehensive trust plan, which includes everything above and adds in provision in case your children are receiving means-tested government benefits or they may need them in the future, starts at $28.50 for an individual and $36.50 for a couple. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. You can schedule an appointment or learn more in the description box below this video.